हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 9 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इन अगस्त 2025, which country became the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance, that is ISA? And the correct answer is Moldova. Second question. In August 2025, which country launched a unique initiative to inject radioactive material into rhino horns to prevent poaching? And the correct answer is South Africa. Third question. In August 2025, Australia signed its biggest ever defense deal for warships with which country? And the correct answer is Japan. Fourth question. Which Indian city was ranked 26th in the Global Artificial Intelligence City Index 2025? And the correct answer is Bengaluru. Fifth question. In August 2025, the United States increased the tariff on goods imported from India from 25% to what total percentage? And the correct answer is 50%. Sixth question. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Muayana 2.0 scheme to boost girls' higher education? And the correct answer is Assam. Seventh question. Which ministry has launched the Heart on Wheels initiative? And the correct answer is Ministry of Textiles. Eighth question. Which institution has released a report titled Unlocking a $200 billion Opportunity Electric Vehicles in India? And the answer is Niti Aayog. Ninth question. LEAP-1 is the first commercial satellite mission of which Indian space tech startup? And the answer is Dhruv Space. 10th question. Pahal scheme was launched by which ministry? And the correct answer is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. 11th question. What was the theme of National Handloom Day in 2025? And the correct answer is Handlooms Empowering Women, Empowering the Nation. 12th question. The Carriage of Goods by Sea Bill 2025 is said to replace which existing law? And the correct answer is Indian Carriage of Goods by Sea Act 1925. 13th question. Which country has officially announced that it is no longer consider itself obligated to adhere to the 1987 Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty? And the correct answer is Russia. 14th question. Where was the first Indian-New Zealand Defence Strategic Dialogue conducted on August 5, 2025? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 15th question. Who has taken over as the new commandant of the Indian Naval Academy, Azimala, replacing Vice Admiral C.R. Praveen Nair? And the correct answer is Vice Admiral Manish Chadda. 16th question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Broadcast Audience Research Council, India? And the correct answer is Gaurav Banerjee. 17th question. What is the name of the index launched by Niti Aayog to benchmark the progress of states and union territories in electric mobility adoption? And the correct answer is India Electric Mobility Index. 18th question. What is the name of the government initiative launched to provide resting facilities for truck drivers along major highways in India? And the correct answer is Apna Ghar. 19th question. Who became the first Indian to win the Best Magic Creator 2025 award at the FISM World Championship, often referred to as the Oscars for Magicians? And the correct answer is Suhani Shah. 20th question. Where is India's first Center of Excellence for Hornbill Conservation being established by the Tamil Nadu government? And the correct answer is Annamalai Tiger Reserve. 21st question. Which state became the first in India to empanel sign language experts under the Juvenile Justice Act 2015? And the correct answer is Punjab. 22nd question. In which city was India's first FIFA Talent Academy for girls launched by FIFA and AIFF? And the answer is Hyderabad. 23rd question. Which player scored a blazing century to lead South Africa champions to victory in the World Championship of Legends WCL 2025 final? And the correct answer is AB de Villiers. 24th question. On which date is the International Day of Awareness of the Special Development Needs and Challenges of Landlocked Developing Countries observed? And the answer is 6th August. And the last 25th question. Goldman Sachs has recently revised India's GDP growth forecast for 2025 to what percentage due to the impact of US tariffs? And the correct answer is 6.5%. तो ये थे 9 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच फॉर्मर गवर्नर एसोसिएटेड विद द एब्रोगेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 370 इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर रिसेंटली पास्ड अवे? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, who has given an extended additional charges as CMD of BSNL and MTNL for the second time? Third question, recently PM Modi's Pariksha Par Charcha set Guinness World Record with how many registrations? Fourth question, which country became the world's fifth largest aviation market in 2024? And the last fifth question, which institution has launched the India Electric Mobility Index, that is IEMI? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।